Gates open, they're up and racing. Divisoria draws for your lead. Classical Bead running by the rail, moving up is Toda Mark, join it count. Then moving up down on the inside is I Am Strong. Golden Class comes next, then followed by Thunder Ribbon. Running by the rail is entry number 3, Enjoy the Flight. El Bimbo comes next, then followed by Instant. Moving up on the outside, Dumada Gundong, Apple Green running second last. And trailing the group is the Chosen One as they race at the last 450. Divisoria with Ison Lagrata Bautista out in front by about 6 lengths with 250 meters of the race. Divisoria starts to draw away this time by about 7 lengths. Classical Beat by the rail, then on the outside I Am Strong and Golden Class with 75 meters. It's all Divisoria winning this race by 5 lengths over Classical Beat. I Am Strong, join the count, then comes Golden Class, Thunder Ribbon, El Bimbo, Toda Mark, Instant, Dumada Gundong, Enjoy the Flight, New Gold.